In this film clip, Tony Webb of Legere will show how the beginner is shown how to fly a hang glider for the first time, using a winching system. The winch is moved across to the other side of the field and makes ready to tow. There are two cables. Using one cable at a time, what we do is put the winch at one end of the field, pull the cable out, connect the cable to the glider, and let the winch operator drive the motor, which pulls the cable in, and the glider moves forward through the air into wind and generates enough lift in order for the aircraft to fly, and slow enough for the instructor to run beside the pilot, giving necessary instruction and encouragement. In order to prevent the glider being gusted away, tether ropes are connected to the wings. Before we can fly, it's necessary to do various checks.
Okay, that's fine. We've got distance off the bar, carabiners done up, helmet's done up. Okay. The harness is a two-point connection. One connection goes to the hip part of the pilot. This is his centre of mass. Then we have what's called a billy cord. This is connected up by a threading arrangement to the part that's connected to the glider. Because the hang glider and the pilot are separate until the glider is flying, it's necessary to have two-part connection. So we connect that up with a threader, which is through the ring and up into the release. Alright, we're going to do a release check to see that everything is working, and I'll pull that out. Alright, now you can see it. Two parts of the tow force go to the pilot, one part goes to the glider. It's because the pilot is about twice the weight of the glider, so it's a proportional pull. If you'd like to knock that string on the side there, that will release the line. A little bit harder, okay, and away it goes. We'll connect it up and do that one more time.
Once the checks are completed, the student lifts the glider with the shoulders and waits for a steady moment when the instructor radios through to the winch operator to begin towing. As the glider moves forward, more lift is generated and the glider flies. The student continues to run and fly until the winch operator is requested to stop. In order to repeat the flight, the team walk backward, pulling out the line. In this manner, several flights can be made, allowing the student time in the air to practice glider control while able to hear and see the instructor by the side. After a number of flights like this, the student would be ready to fly solo without the aid of tether ropes or the instructor by the side.